Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in British Pound JPY currency pairs. We'll start from the weekly time frame analysis and understand the overall price action from the higher time frame, then narrow down to daily time frame and to the hourly time frame, then to the 30 minutes time frame. In all the time frames I'm analyzing, I'll be sharing you the support and resistance level which will help you to decide on your entry and exits during your trades. If you are new to my channel, we have a dedicated Telegram group for our subscribers. You can use the link placed in the description section for joining our Telegram group. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in weekly time frame now. So when we look at the overall price action in the weekly time frame, it was on a very nice downtrend. And here also from here, the price has fallen. It has taken support at the level 127, and from here, it didn't fall much further. And it started its uptrend. It went again up and tested this resistance level, dynamic resistance level, and again retraced. Again, it went up. It couldn't retrace to the previous resistance level. It took resistance at 156. Then it started consolidating range over here, the bottommost support being 127 and topmost resistance being 156. The currently market is taking support at the level of 148. So when we see a price action, we can notice that it has gone up, it has formed double top, and I am expecting the market to again retrace based on this dynamic support. Current market is consolidating within this resistance and support level. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. So I am in daily time frame now. Here we can notice that the market has gone up to the level of 158 and then retraced back. It couldn't break this resistance area, which is around 158 to 156. Currently the market is on a downtrend and it has taken support on the support level of 148, and I am expecting the current price action to consolidate within this support and resistance level. We can clearly notice that it was on a very nice downtrend. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So I am in hourly time frame now. When we notice the price action in hourly time frame, the dynamic support or resistance level from the weekly time frame was acting as a strong support, but once it broke this level, we can notice that there was a drastic fall in this currency pair. Currently this level will be acting as a strong resistance for the uptrend movement. And when we notice the current price action, it is in a consolidation and forming into a triangle pattern. We can notice that it is managing to test on the bottom side, but on the bullish side, the levels are becoming narrower and narrower every time it retraces. Currently also you can notice that it went up. It couldn't manage to test this resistance level also, and it is on a bearish trend. It is presently consolidating within this triangle pattern. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame, and we know that the current price action is consolidating within this triangle pattern. So this level of 149 is acting as a very strong support for the current price action. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we notice the price action in 30 minutes time frame, I have drawn a diagonal resistance level over here. This was preventing the market from going up. At this point, it has broken the resistance and has gone up, but this dynamic resistance of the triangle pattern is currently preventing the market from going up. This blue color resistance line, which is around 150, is acting as a very strong resistance for the current price action. We can notice that most of the time when the price action tests this level, it has bounced back. The bearish trend has started. Currently also the price action doesn't have enough bullishness to go up and test this level also. So currently we can notice that there is some sort of consolidation going on, and we can expect the market to retrace again and test in this bottommost support level, which is around 149. Let us mark the support and resistance level for 30 minutes time frame. So these are all the levels for 30 minutes time frame, and currently the market is trading within a triangle pattern, and we can find the market to take resistance at this level of 150 and then retrace and test on the bottommost support level of 149. It is a range bound market within a triangle pattern. Currently this level is acting as a strong resistance. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame and mark the trading ranges. I am in 5 minutes time frame now, and when we notice the current price action, it is on a very nice bullish trend. It is in a uptrend to test this resistance level of 150, and I have drawn the support and resistance level, and you can notice that the current market has tested this resistance level. Every time when it tests this level, it has a retracement. So I have drawn the midline also to actually make you understand when it crosses this level, we can expect the bearish trend to start, and next level of support is going to be on the bottommost support level of the channel pattern. When it crosses this level, we can expect the downtrend to continue and test this bottommost support level of 149. Currently, it is trading within a channel pattern and it is in a bullish trend. And current price action is in a retracement. I am expecting it to take support on this midline of the channel pattern, which is around 150.231. Let us mark the support and resistance level in 5 minutes time frame. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 5 minute time frame. So the ranges are marked within this channel pattern. If it breaks this channel pattern, we can expect the trend reversal to happen. As long as it is trading within this channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. If it breaks this resistance level of 150.669, we can expect a bullish trend to start. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.